Hey, what's up, Safemoon holder? So Safemoon is go to the moon now, my brother. This time you can see a Safemoon, one of the unique to they will get a profit, my brother, and absolutely the price will be increasing. So that's mean, my brother. So Safemoon is go in the moon now. 1.58%, my friend. Safemoon take a profit now, and just in only, my brother, in this time. Absolutely, congratulations all Safemoon holder to Safemoon will move upward now. So we predicate this coin, we share opinion, and at this video we do completely research about my friend Safemoon. So kindly holders, you need to do this what I talk you. I hope, my brother, you will be get a profit now. My brother, this time the change occur of Safemoon in last 1 hour 1.58%. It's a really good, my friends. So this is a short jump, but absolutely very huge jump now, my brother. And I hope they will move upward. So but kindly, before I get started this video, please subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon for videos. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, man. Just and only do click the red button. Alright, my brothers, the last 1 hour profit when I see, my brothers. So I hope, my brother, in the last 10 days of every month, my brother, all cryptocurrencies is moving upward now. So I know to upcoming time Safemoon also price increasing now. But in you can see, my brother, in last 24 hour minus 4.19% loss, and last 7 days minus 3.06% their loss. So that's me, my brothers. Safemoon is completely losing, but definitely, my friend, you can see here in last 1 hour they will take a very good profit now. Congratulations everyone, they will get a profit now, and they will move upward now. My brother, this time you can see here the price of Safemoon is very cheap now, 0.503 USD dollar as the latest price, and 24-hour volume you can see here 587 lakh, my brother. So that's a very low, my brother, but absolutely they will be decreasing, because, my brother, especially a lot of holder ask me to why they are decreasing. So absolutely this time the market cap is not compatible, my brother. Absolutely dumps down every coin, but, my brother, in last 1 hour they will take a profit. So I make this video. Other, my friend, everything is lost now. So therefore don't see, my friends, this will be decreasing or increasing. But just only if you are a long time investor. If you are a short time investor, so this coin is not, my friend, good for you. Kindly you will just only sell it, and absolutely when they move upward, then go and sell it and take a profit, and don't invest, my friend, and Safemoon. But if you are, my brother, invest for a long time, so this will be very good, my friend. And I hope, my brother, after a 2 year, 3 year, 5 year, that will give you a very good profit now. So hope you understand. Please, holders, don't do this mistake to starting selling in this time, because at the end of month every coin will move upward now. So I hope in the last 10 days they will be completely get a profits now. So my opinion is to please hold. And what's your opinion? Tell me in a comment box. And please, this is not a financial video, I just advise you. So kindly research personally before you take any decision now. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.